Welcome to Common Cocktails, Dan and Derek. We're going to show you what this tastes like. Show you.
We're going to show you. We
video.
might tell you. We're going to show you.
Right. We're going to show you the bottle. We're going to taste it in front of you, and you get to watch. Doesn't that sound good?
You still haven't told me what you think the smell.
I know.
It's almost like a little pineapple.
I will go with pineapple. Like it's like a pineapple, the rind.
Have you tried it?
No. Maybe. Probably, but she wouldn't remember.
Yeah,
It wasn't tonight.
Oh.
No, it's super aromatic.
It is.
Sweet, like a plantation.
It's definitely sweet.
We have plantation pineapple. So if it doesn't,
it's a little pineapple. Like,
yeah. See, that's like pineapple juicy. That's like pineapple skin. Right? Like if the pineapple, when you realize the pineapple's about to turn, and it's like you haven't cut it yet, and it's black on the outside, and you get like probably some of those flies and everything like that really sweet, just about to go bad.
It's definitely more like
this is like
tropical
pineapple juice, which is fine too.
It's like sweet, but not like
now this is 100%
like brown sugar sweet.
Yeah, like a Demerara, like that guy, El Dorado. 100% pot still. I know nothing about it. It says special dry. It is kind of dry. We were sipping it before the show.
It is kind of dry. It is sweet.
Strong. 43. Oh, it's actually more. 43% alcohol. So that's like 100. That's like 86 proof. Am I good? My math? It's double whatever this is, right?
Yeah.
43 times 2 is 86.
86.
Yes! Score. This is why I'm a programmer.
I can do this in my head.
And then I unit tested against you to make sure I was right.
That's right. And you are correct.
It's called, if you want to search for it, it's called Xaymaca.
It is very dry.
It's a Jamaican rum. What you get, some of that flavor, I think, is the funkiness from the Jamaican rum. But it's not like, what's that dark rum that everybody always buys? They put in their Mai Tais. Like it's not Appleton.
Oh, Goose.
No. Goose?
Isn't it?
No. Somebody must know. But there's a dark rum that everybody uses for everything.
I can picture the bottle, but I can't think of the name for some.
Yeah, and it's like a thin, like a squarish bottle with a yellow label on it. I don't remember what it's called.
Oh.
But it's a Jamaican rum.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
I don't really
it, don't you?
It goes away and I don't buy it. Like it's one of those ones I don't really like to buy. But like, so this is what I.
151 by accident one time too.
Yeah. No. A bat? No.
Yeah, you did. Then I'm not thinking of the right one.
No.
Mount Gay?
No. Mount Gay's good.
No.
But that's sweeter. No, like I don't remember what the name of the brand is, but it's it's dark and like vibrantly not very good. I don't like the flavor of most. I don't like a really traditional Jamaican rum that's like super funky and has like
Appleton Estate?
No. I'm not. That's what I was thinking. That would be like what I'd use if I didn't have this.
Myers.
Yes. Myers.
Trevor's got it.
Thank you, Trevor. Myers. I'm not a fan of the Myers. Like some people use that for their Mai Tais. I would rather use this for Mai Tai or Appleton, one of the darker ones, because it's not like Bacardi, which is more neutral. That's like the vodka of rum. Yeah. But it has sweet flavor notes that it's hard to pick out if you just sit down and sip it. But when you compare them against each other, you can taste them.
This is definitely this is sweet.
It's sweet, but I think it feels dry because it's the potency. It dries.
Oh, it dries out after.
But it tastes and smells rich and sweet, but not as much as a dark rum.
No.
So I would use that in a not margarita, a Mai Tai. That could, when you look at Mai Tais, they usually call for a Jamaican rum and like some other rum. Yeah. Right, Puerto Rican rum usually. And you could combine them together. So you do 1 ounce of this and 1 ounce of Puerto Rican. So like 1 ounce of this and 1 ounce of. If you're gonna stick on the plantation train, you would do like 1 ounce of this and 1 ounce of that in a Mai Tai. Would be interesting because this is sweeter than that, but that has more flavor to it, like in those banana and the.
Maybe that's what it is. Banana.
Yeah, Jamaican typically has like banana.
Yeah,
like
maybe it's more banana.
This has a lot of banana. I would use Smith & Cross in all my Mai Tais and all my drinks. If I only had, I think I've said this before, if I was stuck on an island, I would go with this one. But I don't know where I can get this. This is probably my first bottle, and I won't drink it all because I don't know what else to do. I guess Total Wine, I could probably find it. If I had a couple more, I'd probably use it more in the show because I could I would know I could get it again. But that which kind of fits into Peggy's earlier question before you got here, which is what I want for my bar. I want more Smith & Crush. Also, since I'm promoting everybody else's product and getting nothing for it, I got this in the mail. This thing is friggin' huge. This is the Oxford Companion to Spirits and Cocktails by David Wondrich and Noah Rothbaum. This is the weirdest book. I'm not in it, so it's not as cool as it could have been. But, like, it literally is like an Oxford dictionary. If you
there's
have
a lot of shit in there.
Yeah. Like, if you have a question about, like, cocktail proportions, what does it mean? Caipirinhas, the brands. Yeah. There's bartenders are in here, right? And they'll tell you if they're alive or not. Like, it's got gum syrup. What is gum syrup? So if you want to know, like, the history of everything, I just don't think this is something you sit down and read.
No.
But if you needed, it is a companion. If you needed something to go, shit, how can I explain gum syrup to somebody who doesn't understand it? Then you could go in here and find it. That was probably Milk and Honey, the place. Gum syrup might be a little easy.
There's a lot of stuff in there.
Tons of information. They sent it to me and like, you want to check it out? I'm like, sure. I say yes to everything. Yeah, it's all in there.
Well, it's interesting. I mean,
yeah, I didn't have a clue what I was getting when they sent it. I was like, is this a recipe book? Because this thing's friggin' huge.
It's crazy.
But it's literally everything.
There's
People, places, things,
everything.
Of all.
Drinks.
If there's a name, it's in there.
Yeah.
Which, I don't know. I don't know if it's useful to anybody, but it seems cool. I don't know how much it costs because they sent it to me. So, actually, I pimped their brand, but I paid for this. This is even worse.
I know.
Oh, whatever. So there you go.
That's what we do.
we give all of our stuff for free, just hoping for a like.
Just hoping for something.
Give us a subscribe. Hit the bell.
Either that or we're drinking anyway, right. So
that's true.
It's a win-win.
It's like drinking, but sometimes you get ad revenue.
Yeah.
I do.
Yeah, exactly.
You just get drinking. All right.
So I give this a thumbs up.
If you had a show where you had to take a shot of everything, this one would be right.
Yeah, it's coming soon. We've talked about it. It's coming soon.
It's gonna be him drinking.
Buy or no buy? I say buy.
Yeah, buy.
I say buy.
I don't know how much it is because I spent money on it, but I lost the receipt.
I mean, my buy is Derek buys it, so buy.
Yeah. Somebody else bought it for you.
Yes, even better.
That's true. All right, sidebar. More reviews and other videos down below. Bartender starter kit. I have I'll talk about it later, but there's shaker tins now. I got rid of the glasses. All 10 on 10 action all the time.
I like 10 on 10.
I know.
That's right.
Teach you how to drink.